DNA Blue Book Ignou Masters in Anthropology Mon. Previous year solved papers. Brought to you by EncycloHub, your trusted Ignou guide. Feeling overwhelmed by complex theories and fieldwork reports in anthropology? Let EncycloHub make your preparations smarter and easier. We offer well-structured and accurate solved previous year papers for Ignou's MA in Anthropology, ideal for exam revision and conceptual clarity. Magnifying glass tilted left, what's included? White heavy checkmark solved question papers from the last 5 to 7 years. White heavy checkmark chapter-wise, to-the-point answers in Ignou format. White heavy checkmark covers all key subjects: physical anthropology, social anthropology, archaeological anthropology, fieldwork and dissertation, research methods and statistics, anthropology of India, practicals and Viva guidance. Direct hit why students trust EncycloHub. Heavy checkmark expert written answers tailored to Ignou guidelines. Heavy checkmark simple language, focused on scoring well. Heavy checkmark perfect for distance learners and working professionals. Heavy checkmark instant delivery in PDF format. Heavy checkmark affordable and value-packed. Mobile phone with arrow how to buy. Envelope with arrow WhatsApp us at your contact number. Inbox tray or message us on Instagram at EncycloHub with Mon solved papers. Graduation cap, let your anthropology journey evolve with confidence. With EncycloHub, learn better. Score higher.